Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Tirupati MP Balli Durga Prasad Rao passes away. Tirupati YCP MP Balli Durga Prasad Rao passed away at Apollo Hospitals in Chennai Wednesday evening. Durga Prasad Rao had been suffering from ill health for some time and recently he got infected with COVID 19. The YCP MP breathed his last at around 6 pm at Apollo Hospitals while being treated. Durga Prasad Rao belonged to Nellore and he won the Tirupati Lok Sabha seat in 2019. In the past, Durga Prasad Rao established a record by winning 4 times as Nellore District Guddur MLA. Durga Prasad Rao belonged to TDP before joining YCP. Tamil Nadu Assembly passes law to convert Jaya's residence Veda Nilayam into memorial. The Tamil Nadu Assembly on Wednesday passed a bill which provides for the establishment of a foundation to make long-term arrangements for converting Veda Nilayam, the residence of former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, into a memorial. The bill, which replaced the ordinance promulgated on May 22, has key modifications into many provisions. The bill was moved by Information Minister Kadambur Raju and was passed by a voice vote. According to the modifications spelled out in the bill passed by the Assembly on Wednesday, the right, title, and interest of any person in relation to the movable properties shall be virtue of this Act stand transferred to and vest in the government. Andhra Pradesh reports 8,835 new COVID-19 cases. 8,835 new COVID-19 cases, 10,845 recoveries, and 64 deaths reported in Andhra Pradesh Wednesday. Total number of cases now at 5,92,760, including 90,279 active cases, 4,97,376 recoveries, and 5,105 deaths so far, says State Health Department. Hyderabad set to play a vital role in introducing Russian vaccine. Hyderabad is all set to play a vital role in introducing the Russian Sputnik V vaccine, the first credible option available to fight COVID-19 in the country by the year end. The city-based Dr. Reddy's Laboratories on Wednesday announced that it will test and distribute the Sputnik V vaccine in the country. Fresh row in Andhra as 3 silver lion statues on chariot of Kanaka Durga temple go missing. 3 silver lion statues on the chariot of the famous goddess Kanaka Durga temple atop Indrakiladri in Vijayawada were found to be missing, sparking a fresh row in the state. The development comes close on the heels of the chariot fire incident at Antarvedi Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, which led a controversy, prompting the state government to hand over the probe to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). Complete Ambedkar Park in 13 months, CM Jagannath Reddy. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy has asked the officials to ensure that the 125 feet B.R. Ambedkar statue to be installed at Swaraj Maidan in Vijayawada is visible from all sides. He was speaking at a review meeting on the proposed B.R. Ambedkar Memorial Park with officials. The Chief Minister said and directed the officials to finalize the location for the statue. He directed the officials concerned to commission the building of the statue and commence the works from November 1. The project should be completed in 13 months, Jagan said. Deadlock stays despite unlock at TSRTC takes different route. The stalemate continues over resuming interstate bus services between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, with TSRTC officials demanding that their Andhra Pradesh counterparts operate route-specific services instead of kilometer-based services, even as the EPSRTC Vice Chairman and Managing Director M.T. Krishna Babu argued that there was no practice of operating bus services on a route basis elsewhere in the country. EPSRTC is operating buses on 71 routes in Telangana, while TSRTC operates only 28 routes and appears reluctant to increase this, citing lack of capacity and viability of operating services on additional routes. The TSRTC is insisting on route-wise parity.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Pie and Times.